Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie milk. This easy method starts with gathering a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 of a cup of your favorite pie crust, a half cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of ice cream. Don't forget a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Having everything chilled will make the blending process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get everything ready for blending. First, take your pie crust and break it into small, manageable pieces. These smaller bits will blend more easily and create a smoother texture. Next, carefully place these crust pieces into your blender. Add the half cup of milk and the 1/4 cup of ice cream. Finally, sprinkle in the tablespoon of sugar and that pinch of cinnamon. It's time to blend. Secure the lid on your blender and process all the ingredients on high speed. You want to achieve a completely smooth consistency, so blend until there are no visible large pieces of pie crust remaining. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, give it a quick taste. If you like, you can add a little more sugar or cinnamon to suit your preference. Your delicious pie milk is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a chilled glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or even a tiny piece of pie crust on top. Serve it immediately to experience its unique and refreshing flavor at its best. This easy method creates a delightful treat in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.